Our next move we're going to do is what I call the single hip drop with the feet planted on the floor. So again, think about your posture. Keep your feet as far apart as your hips. Keep your knees soft, not completely bent and not locked back. We're going to push our hips down and we're going to take notice of how our glutes are working. So if you're pushing down on the right side, your glute actually relaxes and the left side is quite tight. Not completely so that it's rock hard, but just so that it's engaged. So let's start with the right hip dropping down and then take it over to the left hip. Now, your knees and your legs are moving, but don't make that the first point of call to make this move. Think about it from your hips. So your hips are dropping down, 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 and take it a little bit faster. Drop, 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 drop. So feel what this move feels on your body. So we can take it a little bit faster, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, and breathe. So you should be able to still talk while you're doing this so that you'll be able to know that you're still breathing. 1, 2, 1, 2, and slow it down, and dum, 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 dum. So put some music on and feel the beat and get the dum and the heavy part of the movement. Think about the energy of your hips going down towards the floor. And once you have this move, it'll be a great move that'll go with your shimmy that's going to come in later on in other lessons. So that's the end of this move.